Here to serve food to the homeless as well as those who may have jobs but may not have enough money for even a single meal sometimes.
Yeah,
it's going to be an experience for us. First time we're doing this.
We just came out of a briefing. It was a very long but very educational briefing. I thought I knew all there was to know about homeless people, but there's a whole lot more. There's a whole different world. So I'm glad that we're here and that we're helping out.
We just want to be part of the volunteers to those who need.
Suasana Hari Raya, di mana pun jua, memberikan bergembira bersama di Hari Raya. Minta Pak, kue tempatnya, saya mau makan bareng-bareng. Saya
let me see what time it is. It's 1:40 on Sunday morning, and we just finished our rounds around Chow, various areas, the back streets. These are areas that you would never normally drive on, and there was so many people that we had to distribute food and water and even things like what was that? The mosquito coil. Mr. Wong here happens to be from Kechara Soup Kitchen. He's one of the committee members, in fact.
We've been here for the past 8 years. We're consistently doing what we do, and every single week we collate information that will help and assist us in the following week. So consistency is the key.
And you have a system that's
and there's a system that's going on with the feedback of the team leaders.
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's fantastic work that you're actually doing with Kechara Soup Kitchen. So thanks for letting us tag along.
Yes,
and,
anytime.
Well, if you want to donate, of course, things like mosquito coils and tiger balm, you can always contact Kechara Soup Kitchen over here at Jalan Imbi. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.
Nice having you guys.
We'll be back again really soon. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it
Thank
for
you.
our little.
We'll be back.